Good morning. আমি আজি ৰিলেশ্যন কি হয় সেইখিনি অলপ চাই লওঁ। A relation between two sets is a collection of ordered pairs containing one object from each set. Consider we have two sets A and B with elements x1 and x2 belongs to A and element y1 and y2 belongs to B, such that x1 is related to y1 and x2 is related to y2. Then the relation R from the set A to B is given by these two ordered pairs. So a relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Here the relation R is a subset of the Cartesian product of the sets ki A and B. The Cartesian product ki asle first year paisila to check it out. Next ahile tumar empty relation. A relation R in a set A is called empty relation if no element of A is related to any element of A. Or denote kore ki by the symbol phi. Now phi is also a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross A because phi is a subset of every set. Example talwa. Let A the set of even numbers. Tamane 8 thakibo tumar elements kenoka khini 2 4 6 8 and goes on. Itia R eta relation lua A pora A le such that R ki map kore odd numbers to odd, but amar 8 odd numbers ase ne nai jihetu A do not has any odd numbers, so and R maps from odd to odd numbers, so R is equal to 5. So this relation is a what? Empty relation. Clear? Next ahile amar universal relation. If each element of A is related to every element of A, so my Cartesian product of A cross A is an universal relation. If every element of A is related to A, that means the whole set is the universal relation. Next we come to types of relation. Reflexive. Reflexive ketia consider a relation from the set A to A. Say the small a belongs to the set A. It every element for every element A, if we have this ordered pair, then it is called what? Reflexive. Symmetric. Symmetric hobole ki hobole bo? Say A1 and A2 belongs to the set A. If first condition amar a ordered pair to sabole bo, jodi hai the ordered pair A1 comma A2 belongs to R, then only A2 comma A1 belongs to R. Tite he hetu tumar symmetric relation kobo. Next tumar transitive. If A1 A2 belongs R and A2 A3 belongs to R, a gita ordered pair first and foremost thakibo lagibo. Jodi thake, then ami ki check korim? First ordered pair of first element and second ordered pair of tumar second element. If is in the relation, that is A1 A3 is in the relation, then what we'll say? It is transitive. Next ahile tumar equivalence relation. A relation R in a set A is said to be an equivalence relation if a gute tinta relation satisfies jodi kore. That means reflexive, symmetric and transitive. অলপ diagrammatically চাই লওঁ reflexive relation কি হয়। ধৰা A সেটত আছে আমাৰ elements A B C. Consider R1 is a relation from the set A to A. ধৰা this A maps to A, B maps to B and C maps to C. That means R আমাৰ দেখিবলৈ কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? A, A, B, B aru C, C. Then R1. Then this R1 is reflexive. Kyo? A protect to elements rokane. Protect to elements, that means A karano, B karano, C karano. Amar A maps to A, B maps to B, C maps to C. So this is what reflexive. Every element of A belongs to A. That means every element আছে না, A ও আছে, B ও B map কৰিছে, C ও C map কৰিছে. So this R1 is a what? Reflexive relation. Next, consider kora R2 a relation such that A maps to A, C maps to C, but B do not maps to B. That means A maps to A, C maps to C, but B do not maps to B. There every element hobo lagisle, but amar yat ki hoise B a B le map kora nai, B a B le map kora nai. So this R2 is not reflexive. So which is reflexive? Only R1 is reflexive. Next we come to symmetric. Symmetric amar ki hobo laibo, eketai set loisu A B C. Let R1 is a relation from A to B. ধৰা A কোড ম্যাপ কৰিছে, B ত ম্যাপ কৰিছে, আৰু B এ কোড ম্যাপ কৰিছে, A ত ম্যাপ কৰিছে. যেহেতু A B ক ম্যাপ কৰিছে আৰু B এ A ত ম্যাপ কৰিছে, so yes, this is what symmetric. ঠিক আছে, but R2 ত সোৱা তোমাৰ হয় A B ক ম্যাপ কৰিছে, B ও তোমাৰ A ত ম্যাপ কৰিছে, but C A ordered pair to C maps to A, but this A do not maps to C. This A do not maps to C. Therefore what? This is not symmetric. This is what? Not symmetric. Clear? Next, transitive. Eketa set loisu capital A with elements A B C. Transitive ki hobo laibo, amar duta ordered pair thakibo laibo. Dhora A B, A map korise tumar B, B A map korise tumar C. Or transitive hobo lai ki hobo laibo tumanko, this A must map to what? C. This A must map to C. So this is what transitive. Next ami R2 relation consider korisu. A map korise ka B, B A map korise tumar C, but this A do not maps to what? This A do not maps to C. Therefore this is what? Not transitive. But this relation is reflexive. Kya? Protekto elements e nijor elements of map korise A B B C C. Therefore this is reflexive but not transitive. A relation to R1 symmetric hoy because A maps to B and B maps to A, but reflexive nahoy kyo? Only C maps to C, but A and A do not maps and B and B do not maps. Or reflexive hobole protekto element e nijor element to map koribo laibo, but here only C maps to C, therefore it is not reflexive. এতিয়া আমি অলপ কোৱেশ্চন ডিসকাস কৰিলাম, তাৰ আগতে নোট এটা চাই লওঁ. ইফ আমাক এটা ৰিলেশন proof কৰিবলৈ দিয়ে, we are given to prove that it is symmetric or reflexive or transitive, then we will go through the definition. That means these three definitions. But amak jodi disprove koribo diye, that means maybe not symmetric, maybe not reflexive, maybe not transitive, then we use what? Contradictory examples. Equation to swa yat amak ki koise relation eta define korise on the set of what? Real numbers. Define kenai korise with ordered pairs A and B such that this A is less than or equal to B. We have to show that koise it is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Jehetu amak dekhabo lage, we have to prove it is true, it is reflexive. So ami through definition jam. Prothomote ami likhi loisu r ki hoy. Itia check koriba. For all A belongs to the set of real numbers. A is equal to A, এই কন্ডিশনটো ফিল আপ কৰিছে নে আইদাৰ a less than b হ'ব লাগিব নহলে a equal to b হ'ব লাগিব এতিয়া যেহেতু a equal to a তো আমি এই অৰ্ডাৰড পেয়াৰ a, a আৰত আছে বুলি ক'ব পাৰিম নে a আমি b ঠাইত কি লৈছো a তেতিয়াহলে এটো কি হ'ব ৰিফ্লেক্সিভ because a is equal to a for all a belongs to r next আহিলে আমাৰ symmetric the question ত কি কৈছে symmetric নহয় বুলি দেখাব কৈছে তো আমি কি কৰিম এটা example use কৰিম that means আমি a ৰ যিকোনো এটা ভ্যালু লম আৰু b ৰ যিকোনো এটা ভ্যালু লম তো symmetricত আমি কি কৰো প্ৰথমতে এটা অৰ্ডাৰ পাৰ আছে বুলি ধৰি লম ইতিয়া চোৱা 2 is less than 4 yeah এটো ট্ৰুথ হৈছে আমাৰ সেই কাৰণে আমাৰ 2, 4 অৰ্ডাৰ পেয়াৰ আৰু থাকিব নাই এই কন্ডিশনটো ফিল আপ কৰিছে নে 2, 4 অৰ্ডাৰ পেয়াৰটো আমি ললো ইতিয়া 2 less than 4 হৈছে a ঠাইত আমি 2 লৈছো b ঠাইত আমি 4 লৈছো 2 less than 4 হৈছে that means it follows this relation so আমি কি কম 2, 4 অৰ্ডাৰ পেয়াৰ এই ৰিলেশন আৰত আছে but 4 less than 2 হৈছে নে নাই হোৱা 4 less than 2 নাই হোৱা so আমি কি কম 4, 2 does not belongs to the relation r because 4 is not less than 2 so r is not symmetric symmetric হবলে আমাৰ কি আছিল relation is symmetric if a, b belongs to r implies b, a also belongs to r হ'ব লাগিব b, a belongs to r হ'ব লাগিব but ইয়াত আমাৰ কি হৈছে 2, 4 belongs to r হৈছে but 4, 2 do not belongs to r হৈছে so yes clear it is not symmetric next aha transitive হলে আৰু transitive আমাক কি কৈছে we have to show this is transitive so আমি কি ইউজ কৰিম definition through দি যাম that means আমি generally prove কৰিম ধৰা a আৰু b and b, c belongs to the relation r ধৰি লৈছো a ordered pair গিটা আমাৰ ইয়াত আছে এতিয়া যেহেতু rত আছে সো এই কন্ডিশনটো স্যাটিসফাই কৰিব নে a কি হ'ব less than equal to b হ'ব আৰু a b, c ordered pairৰ কাৰণে b less than equal to c হ'ব এতিয়া এই ইনইকুৱেচন গিটা পাছা ইনইকুৱেচন গিটাৰ পৰা আমি কি গম পাইছো a less than b আৰু b less than c তাৰপিছত আমি therefore আমি ক'ব পাৰো নে a is also less than c since a is less than c আমাৰ কি হ'ব এই কন্ডিশনটো ফিল আপ কৰিছে নে আমাৰ এই ৰিলেশন টু যোনটো কন্ডিশন আমাক গিভেন কন্ডিশন দিয়া আছে so a, c ordered pair belongs to the relation r so what r is transitive so we have shown different question at aswa question 5 we have to check this relation we have to check not show that they we have to check this relation is reflexive or symmetric or transitive যেটো চেক কৰিব কৈছে আমি কি কৰিম examples use কৰিম ঠিক আছে through examples use কৰিম say this is your given this is your relation a is less than what b cube reflexive the reflexive karone ami ki korisu this relation is defined on the set of real numbers so ami half belongs to the set of real numbers itia half cannot be less than 1/2 cube that means half cannot be less than 1/8 therefore 1/2, 1/2 does not belongs to the relation r এই কন্ডিশনটো ফিল আপ কৰিব লাগিব বাট এতিয়া আমি কি দেখিছো কন্ডিশনটো ফিল আপ কৰিবলৈ আমাৰ হাফ লেস দেন 1/8 হ'ব লাগিব but it is not true so this ordered pair half, half do not belongs to the relation r এটা আমাৰ রিফ্লেক্সিভ হ'বলৈ আমাৰ কন্ডিশন কি আছিল that প্ৰত্যেকটো এলিমেন্ট আৰত আমাৰ যিমানখিনি এলিমেন্টস আছে প্ৰত্যেকটো আমাৰ কি হ'ব লাগিব a, a belongs to the relation r হ'ব লাগিব but আমি কিয়াত কি দেখিছো for a belongs to half that belongs to the real number this ordered pair do not belongs to the relation r so it is what not reflexive for all it is symmetric one ধৰি লোৱা 1,2 ordered pair relation আছে yes আছে কিয় because 1 is less than 2 cube মানে কি হয় তোমাৰ 8 obviously 1 is less than 8 so 1,2 belongs to the relation R যেহেতু এই কন্ডিশনটো ফুলফিল কৰিছে but 2,1 do not belongs to R why do not belongs to R because 2 will be never less than 1 cube মানে 1 so 2 is never less than 1 so this is what not symmetric যেহেতু 1, so symmetric হবলে তোমাৰ যেহেতু 1,2 belongs to R but 2,1 do not belongs to R so this R is not symmetric transitive so ধৰা 3,3/2 and 3/2,6/5 belongs to relation R why এটা 3 and 3/2 since 3 is less than 3/2 whole cube therefore this ordered pair belongs to the relation R যেহেতু এই condition to satisfy কৰিছে next ordered pairs one 3,3/2 is less than 6/5 whole cube therefore this condition is satisfied therefore this ordered pair also belongs to R but transitive hobole amar ki hobo lebo the ordered pair 3,6/5 3,6/5 must also belongs to R but as 3 is not less than 6/5 whole cube therefore this ordered pair do not belongs to R যেহেতু এই condition to তোমাৰ satisfy নাই কৰা now calculate কৰি চাবা why 3 is not less than 6/5 whole cube এটো calculate কৰি চাবা so there is a homework for you exercise 1 question number 9 number 2 we have to show that this relation where on the set A where x is an integer x will be less than what 0 and greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 12 arrow defined by this relation is an equivalence relation eto homework koiba that means we have to show what reflexive symmetric and transitive